So today is the third day of our trip. So now we are going to go to South Goa. This is the Atal Setu Bridge. Can you spot the Basilica of BOM Jesus? We are going there first. So we just parked our car here and the parking charge is about 50 rupees.
वीडियो कॉल कर
So that is the Sea Cathedral and the museum. So we are going to go there next. So this is the entry of BOM Jesus. You should not wear improper dress. Look at the crowd. So there is a really long line for the entry. Since this church is very old, they are doing some repairing. So finally we are going inside. Look how beautiful is it inside the church. There is a body of Saint Francis Xavier, but we are not allowed to film it.
अपन चेक करो स्टोरी देखी